The other day, I got a call from this lady. She's a practicing coach for over 6 years now and has 1,000 hours of coaching practice. She mentioned, "Hey Gaurav, I would like to take my coaching practice to the next level." And I was very curious. What do you really want? She took a pause and mentioned, "Gaurav, I would like to engage in deeper conversations." Out of curiosity, I asked, "So what are you seeking for?" She mentioned that, "Gaurav, I find it extremely difficult to identify patterns, highlight opportunities, and convey to leaders what's working and what's not working and why." I could see a point. Would you want to take your coaching practice to the next level? Would you want to add more depth in your conversations? Do you want to work with C-suite executives and leadership teams? Would you want to find a way how to find a common ground that would help you to initiate a conversation which is much more meaningful, based on data and engaging? Hi, my name is Gaurav Arora. I'm a Master Certified Coach from International Coach Federation, a mentor coach, and a leadership development facilitator for over 14 years now. Before I say anything about myself, I want to talk more about you. Being a certified coach, I know you are set to do more than just coach leaders. You would want to create breakthrough results, shift worldviews, build awareness, challenge assumptions, and assist leaders in bringing a shift in their mindset and many more. But on this journey, you come face to face with uncertain times, volatile markets, growing complexities among relationships and processes, and an ambiguous future. The recent COVID phase is a testimony to the VUCA world we have been talking about for the last few years now. For now, to navigate through any challenging terrain, you need to be able to identify the nature of the problem, gain a deep understanding of your leadership style, map your creative competencies against each dominating leadership nature, and arrive at how you choose to respond to each problem or a challenging situation. I've personally used several psychometric tools, 360-degree instruments, leadership assessment tools, and then I stumbled upon the Leadership Circle. With my limited experience, I can assure you this is one of the best tools you will come across. And this is exactly what you need to call yourself a well-equipped coach to handle any kind of conversations, to engage with any kind of audience, and to add value. Let me just talk about the Leadership Circle. Unlike most profiles that take hours to interpret, Leadership Circle profile integrates all the information in a way that brings the key issues to the surface instantly. The data in the Leadership Circle profile reveals itself in seconds. The Leadership Circle profile brings forth the universal mod, which is the only instrument that measures the two primary leadership domains, creative competencies and reactive tendencies, and integrates this information so that key opportunities for leadership development immediately rise to the surface. Creative competencies are well-researched competencies, measuring how you achieve results, bring out the best in others, lead with vision, enhance your own development, act with integrity and courage, and improve organizational systems. Reactive tendencies are leadership styles emphasizing caution over creating results, self-protecting over productive engagement, and aggression over building alignment. These self-limiting styles emphasize the focus on gaining the approval of others, protecting yourself, and getting results through high control tactics. The Leadership Circle profile is very unique in its own ways. in fact, it's like a leader's operating system. The basic assumption that a person is operating from is going to reveal the behaviors he's going to demonstrate in both the domains, in creative competencies domain as well as in reactive tendencies domain. But at the same time, if you've been able to identify your internal world, you can identify the kind of behaviors the person is going to demonstrate. And that's where the leadership circle profile will help you to identify the assumption that you're operating from and how it shows up in the external world. The leadership profile certification enables you to grow your coaching opportunities by mapping 18 creative competencies and 11 reactive tendencies that contribute to your effectiveness as a leader. The Leadership Circle Profile is the best leadership assessment that is recommended by Fortune 1000 and other culture-driven companies. With over 1,000 certified consultants in the Asia Pacific and more than 5,000 globally, and clients all across the industries. The Leadership Circle is a proven model that creates extraordinary results. Just listen to what our certified practitioners have to say.
Attending the Leadership Circle has been a most wonderful experience. So I must begin by thanking Preeti Verma, who got me into it, and the excellent Gaurav, who conducted this with excellent flair. It's been a very transformative journey. I have never thought that after having served in the armed forces for that long, I will have another perspective of leadership, or how to go about developing it. But I see that there is an entire inner landscape that needs to be addressed to become a good leader. I hope to take it forward, to use this tool, to use this knowledge in improving the lives of those who are keen to up their leadership game.
Hi, I'm Serena. Delighted to have finished this certification. TLC has been an amazing course, and I think I have just learned the value of coaching and all the coaching tools. Very powerful, both for self as well as for using as, with coaching discussions and talking to people. I think the things that stood out for me, one, how nice it is to be in a group full of like-minded people who are so open to sharing, and how you can learn so much from them, basis experiences they've had, and then kind of converge with your own way of looking at life. It all culminates into a really, really beautiful experience. So I'm just very, very grateful. And Gaurav and the team, of course, have been fantastic in ensuring that all support was provided to make this a great experience. Thank you.
So eager to get started? Use the link in the video to share your interest about enrolling for the next batch of the Leadership Circle Profile. With this powerful, content-rich and engaging 20 hours of content, you would understand the relationship between the assumptions a leader is operating from and its impact on his behavior, on both the domains, the creative competencies as well as the reactive tendencies, and its impact on leadership effectiveness and subsequently on business performance. And that too, while you stay at home, because this learning is going to happen online. I welcome you to the TLC certification happening soon. See you there.